Hello smart mathematicians, let's do question 111. Factorize the following expression fully. Okay, what do we have here? We have the highest common factor. And the highest common factor is x. So we factor out x. So it becomes x and then out. And then inside the bracket, we're going to remain with 4. We take out x here from 4x, we remain with 4. And then we take out x squared. But we have to factorize fully. This is difference of two squares. Remember, 4 is a square number. So we have x, then 2 squared minus x squared here. You see that? Okay. So we have a difference of two squares. So it's x, and then let's have our two brackets. And then we have minus and then plus. Then the square root of 2 squared is 2. The square root of x squared is x. Then the square root of 2 squared is 2. The square root of x squared is x. So we have factorized fully.